Thank you so much for coming out to the FE Racing Reunion here at Muncie Dragway. This great event that we've put together, the committee of Doug, Dan, Hutch, Scott, and myself, Zach, we have had a blast putting this event on, and we are so proud of really you for bringing your awesome vehicles out here. We are so excited to be here at Muncie Dragway. You talk about a top-notch facility. Scott, Rodney, and the whole team have really just rolled out the red carpet for us. It has been so welcoming to come here and feel like it's like we can race every single weekend.
At the FE Racing Reunion. You having fun?
I'm having a great time.
What's your favorite Ford?
A Mustang and a Cobra Jet Mustang. Jones.
And tell me about your car.
It's a 61 Starliner. Got a 390 in it. Tremec 5-speed. Poly Sniper fuel injection. Just finished it up this past week.
What's your favorite thing about the car?
Comfortable. It glides.
So we kind of pushed it back so they could do the rear throttle so we can get the track ready and make sure everything's good to go.
Mark Holloway. I like them all Fords. The 67 Mustang. It's a 390 4-speed car. S-code.
How long have you owned it?
Probably about 3 or 4 years.
That's awesome. And where are you from?
Indianapolis.
Beautiful.
Attention to the pits. Quick 8 final. We need you to the front of 5 and 6 and a short standby for the remainder of Pro FE. So quick 8 final. We need you to lanes 5 and 6. Quick 8.
Salads and other stuff, so lunch on us today.
Hi, my name is Pam Bloss. This is my dad, Roger Kessler.
Hi, this car comes from Austin, Texas, probably 10 years ago. It took me 4 years to build it from scratch, one piece at a time. It's got a Econoline straight axle under it, 9-inch narrowed on a Detroit locker. The engine is a 4-barrel 390 originally, bored, no stroke, 10.5 to 1 compression, comp valve train. MSD ignition. The rest is visual.
What made you build a gasser?
The first time I seen a 64 Thunderbolt was in Detroit at the U.S. Nationals. Dick Brennan was running the Ram Chargers, and he just smoked them. And I fell in love with the car.
And this, have you built one ever before?
Nope,
And this is your daughter and she drives it?
she drives it, yep.
What's it like to drive?
It's a ball. I'm having an absolute blast driving it, taking it to car shows, and just sharing the build with fellow Ford enthusiasts.
That's cool. Let's take a look at the car real quick. Obviously straight front axle, lightened bumpers, and then you got an interesting radiator set up in the back, huh?
Right. Yeah, that come out of a step van that had a Cummins diesel in it, and it was the biggest radiator at the time that I could find. It's 4-core, holds a lot of antifreeze.
Oh, that's cool. What a great build. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Cars, racers, if you've arrived here today and you've not turned in your tech card, please do so. Because of the computer, those are dropped at the drop.
George, he's a good friend of George Poteet bought the wagon to give to him. In the meantime, he'd bought that yellow one. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
And